Welcome. Today, let's walk through a simple yet powerful way to send a photo that disappears after just one view in Facebook Messenger. Perfect if you want your images to stay private or just share a quick, secret moment. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. It only takes a few seconds, and you'll see the familiar blue interface ready to go. At the top right corner, tap the Messenger icon. This looks like a speech bubble, and it's your gateway to all your conversations. Next, scroll through your chats and pick the conversation you want to send your photo to. Whether it's a friend, group, or even a new contact, this method works the same way for everyone. When you're in the chat, look right next to the text box. You'll see a small camera or photo icon. Tap it and select the photo you want to share. You can snap a fresh picture or choose one from your gallery. The choice is yours. Once you pick your image, tap Preview. This gives you a quick look at exactly what you're sending. Now here comes the crucial part. At the bottom of your screen, there's an icon that looks like a circle with a 1 inside. This is your View Once option. Tap the icon, and you'll see a prompt or indicator confirming your photo will be shown just one time to the recipient. Finally, when you're ready, tap Send. Look for the paper plane icon. One quick tap, and your photo is on its way. The person who receives it will only be able to view your image once before it disappears from the chat. And there you have it. By using these easy steps, you can add an extra layer of privacy each time you share photos on Messenger. Give it a try next time. You want to keep things exclusive or just enjoy the fun of one-time reveals? Thanks for tuning in.